What if I told you Africa's entire economic future is about to be rewritten in just 3 days? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover how a single conference in Nigeria could unlock a $3.4 trillion market for every Kenyan business, startup, and hustler. But here's the twist. A massive invisible wall is holding us all back. Meet Cyril Akorogwe. He's the man behind a plan so big it could connect 1.4 billion people across 54 countries. On Thursday, at Nigeria's State House in Abuja, he dropped the bombshell. Nigeria will host the RegTech Africa Conference and Expo in 2026. This isn't just another talk shop. This is the master key to Africa's borderless digital economy. And the clock is ticking. For years, the dream of the African Continental Free Trade Area, the AfCFTA, has promised a united market. Imagine selling your moss beadwork directly to Ghana or your tech startup getting funding from South Africa with a single click. That's the promise. A $3.4 trillion promise. But here's what nobody's talking about. The dream is stuck. Fragmented regulations, weak systems that don't talk to each other, a jungle of red tape. It's like having a superhighway but no signs, no rules, and a dozen different toll systems. The result? Huge opportunity costs, money left on the table. Businesses like yours limited. And then something shocking happened. The organizers unveiled the theme for Race 2026. Building trust, infrastructure, inclusion, and policy for a borderless economy. This is the surgical strike. For 3 days from May 20 to 22, 2026, the Office of the Vice President of Nigeria will become Africa's war room. They're partnering with the Presidential Committee on Economic and Financial Inclusion and the Intergovernmental Action Group Against Money Laundering. The goal? To smash the walls. But here's the part that will blow your mind. This conference isn't for presidents and ministers alone, it's for you. It's designed to advance financial and digital inclusion for small businesses, startups, women, youth, and underserved communities. Think about that. Mama Mboga in Kibra being able to get a loan from a bank in Nigeria. A tech innovator in Basa seamlessly partnering with a fintech in Lagos. This is the vision of Africonomy. One connected, trusted, innovation-driven economic space. The conference will focus on 3 explosive pillars, promoting regulatory innovation so rules finally make sense across borders, encouraging trusted digital infrastructure, like payment systems that actually work between Kenya and Cameroon, and strengthening collaboration between every player, from regulators to tech giants. They'll showcase African investment opportunities in compliance, fintech, and cybersecurity. This is Nigeria stepping up as a continental hub, but the implications are continent-wide. Some say this is the final push we need, that aligning policies and building interoperable systems is the only way to compete globally. Others whisper about sovereignty and control. Will nations give up regulatory power for the greater good? The tension is real. But one unanswered question remains. If we don't build this borderless digital economy together, who will? China? The West? The opportunity is ours to lose. Do you think a borderless digital Africa will help or hurt Kenyan businesses? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more on the stories shaping our future.